Hi, my name is Zach Mendoza, and I like hot wings. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Still some chicken on there. Nope. Don't waste it. Mm.
Squeeze, pulling muscles, part of Never Workday Part 1 on San Diego's 102.1 KPRI. I'm Laura Duncan, and we really do appreciate the fact that you're here every day because there are so many choices. And the fact